Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Let's examine one of the most audacious heists in the digital world.
This was stolen from Beanstalk DAO back in 22. The wild part? The attacker started with absolutely zero capital.
So this is the scene of the crime. Two key elements made this possible. Let's look at the first one.
Think of it like a digital company run by its shareholders. Now for the weapon left lying in plain sight.
This is DeFi's most innovative and dangerous tool, letting anyone borrow millions, but only for a few seconds.
The logic is brutally simple. It's a coup that happens in, well, a flash.
And get this, the flaw wasn't a bug in the code, but a loophole in the democratic process itself. Now that we've solved the mystery, let's look at the definitive defense mechanisms that protocols now use.
This simple change makes it impossible for attackers to borrow their way to power. And there are other shields.
These defenses ensure that democratic governance can't be overthrown by a split-second financial attack.
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.